In today's lesson, we'll focus on the essential English you need to book a hotel online. By the end, you'll be able to make reservations confidently and clearly in English.
Hey John.
Hey Emily, how's it going?
Pretty good. Just planning a trip.
Oh nice, where to?
Lisbon thinking. About.
Portugal.
Yep. Never been.
Sounds exciting.
I'm trying to book a hotel now.
Online.
Yeah, so many options though.
I know, it gets overwhelming.
Seriously, I've been scrolling for hours.
Which sites are you using?
Booking.com, Expedia, and Airbnb.
Hotel or apartment?
Not sure yet.
What's your priority?
Location and Wi-Fi.
Same here.
I need reliable internet.
Are you working while traveling?
A little bit, yeah.
Then yeah, Wi-Fi matters.
Do you usually book hotels online?
Always.
Any favorite sites?
I use booking.com mostly.
Why that one?
Easy to cancel.
True. That's helpful.
And lots of filters.
I love filters.
What's your budget?
Around $100 per night.
That's fair.
One found a cute place, but the reviews are mixed.
Read the most recent ones.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Some reviews are too dramatic.
Right?
Like the pillow was too soft.
Haha, I saw one like that.
Some people just like to complain.
Exactly.
What kind of room do you want?
Private with a bathroom.
No hostels.
Not this time.
I respect that.
I need sleep.
I once stayed in a hostel with 12 people.
Oh no.
Never again.
Did someone snore?
Like a bear.
Poor you.
So, city center or outskirts?
Center if I can afford it.
Walkable is best.
Hate relying on taxis.
Same.
I also check for breakfast.
Included.
Yep, saves money.
And time.
Some hotels have amazing spreads.
Yeah, especially in Europe.
Croissants. Coffee. I'm in heaven.
I stayed in a place in Paris. Breakfast was like a feast,
Goals.
but the room was tiny.
That's the trade-off.
Yep.
I want a hotel with a view.
City view or ocean view?
Ocean, if possible.
Then you might need to stretch your budget.
I know. Maybe 1 or 2 nights?
That's a good plan. Same.
Do you book with or without an account?
With, I collect points.
Oh. Rewards.
Yeah, free nights sometimes.
I should sign up.
Totally worth it.
Do you pay up front or at the hotel?
Depends.
I prefer paying at the hotel.
More flexible.
But some deals are cheaper online.
True.
Ever had a bad hotel experience?
One time in Bangkok.
What happened?
Room looked nothing like the photos.
Yikes.
It smelled like mold.
Did you leave?
Next morning.
I'd do the same.
Now I always read reviews.
Same here.
And I check for recent photos.
User photos are honest.
Exactly.
I found a hotel with a rooftop pool.
That sounds amazing.
But it's $130 a night.
Treat yourself.
Maybe for the last night.
Good idea.
Do you ever email hotels directly?
Sometimes for upgrades.
Does it work?
If you're polite.
I'll try that.
Also ask for early check-in.
I always arrive early.
Most places will help if they can.
That's good to know.
Are you booking now or waiting?
Probably tonight.
Last-minute deals.
Maybe. But I don't want to risk it.
Yeah, Lisbon's popular.
I'm traveling in 2 weeks.
Book it now then.
Okay. Any tips for choosing rooms?
Avoid near elevators.
Oh yeah. Too noisy.
And higher floors have better views.
And less street noise.
Exactly.
Thanks for the tips.
No problem.
Do you book flights and hotels together?
Sometimes.
Is it cheaper?
Can be, depends on the site.
Expedia offers that.
Try Google Flights too.
I like their calendar view.
Me too.
Alright. I think I'm going with the one near the beach.
Nice choice.
It's got great reviews and free breakfast.
Perfect combo.
I'll book it now.
Good luck.
Thanks for the help.
Anytime, send me pics when you go.
I will.
Okay, thanks.